ponds of this experimental fish farm in eastern Poland, hundreds of sturgeon are being given a special larvae and insect protein diet. This animal scientist is part of HiProMine, a European project that is developing innovative technological solutions for sustainable agriculture by producing protein from larvae. To researchers on this project, insects are the answer to the growing demand for protein in animal feed.
When we use fish meal, which is the most popular source of protein in aquaculture, we still have to catch fish. Every kilogram of fish meal produced requires 4 kilograms of fish. In order to not harm the environment and not harm the wild populations, we need new sources of protein for the fish, which will be food for humans in the future.
2 hours east, at another aquaculture farm, these sturgeons also eat insect proteins from HiProMine's laboratories. The larvae need 2 to 8 weeks to develop. During this time, they feed on biological waste. They require very little water, and their excrement can be recycled as fertilizer. The technology and innovations used by HiProMine are a well-kept secret. The total budget for the projects led by the company HiProMine is €12.5 million, 68% of which is funded by the European cohesion policy. Biorecycling combined with technology is contributing to the circular economy here.
Our attention has been drawn to the need to find alternative sources of protein for sustainable agriculture, as well as reducing waste and increasing recycling.
In this region of Poland, sturgeons are not the only ones eating an insect-based diet. On this experimental poultry farm, researchers are also looking into the effects of larvae proteins on the muscles and growth of poultry.
Możemy zastępować całkowicie tłuszcz paszowy, olej sojowy.
We can completely replace feed fat, soy oil, palm oil and poultry fat in animal feed by adding or completely replacing it with the fat from Hemisia illucens, which are the most common larvae on an industrial scale in Europe.
W skali przemysłowej w tej chwili w Europie.
This European project is part of the New Green Deal, which aims to combat the financial crisis and climate change through eco-sustainability.